Love putu maya? Try this. What if we wrap putu maya in a rice paper? So, meron akong nakastore na putu maya sa fridge. So, ang ginawa ko, stinim ko siya ulit, tapos hiniwa ko siya into very thick strips. And then the usual, basain mo lang yung rice paper. Thin rice paper nga pala itong ginamit ko for this recipe. Yan. So, wrap mo lang yan until consume all the other. Gumawa lang ako ng mga 6 pieces nito kasi try ko muna kung magugustuhan nila. Kasi wala namang kakaing iba kundi ako pag hindi nila magustuhan to, di ba? So, yun. So, I wrapped that. But I already know that this is really gonna be good. Kasi nga, wala namang maiiba sa flavor niya. Is the usual putu maya. I-wrap mo lang siya in a rice paper to fry it para maging crispy siya on the outer. And magiging, ano siya, parang finger food. So, to do this, gagawa nga pala tayo ng sikwate. Ito yung ginagawa kong sikwate every time. And it doesn't fail me. It's just half a cup of evaporated milk. Yung evaporated milk na ginagamit ko talaga is Alpine because it's the best for me. And then, I put yung minix ko nga pala with the cocoa powder. I dropped 2 pieces of tablea. Nagdikit-dikit kasi yung tablea ko kaya pinag-grate ko sa staff ko. And then I also added 4 tablespoons of condensed milk or 1/4 cup of condensed milk. So mix mo lang yan over low heat until ma-dissolve siya. And since medyo na-bored ako kaka-mix, ang ginawa ko na lang, sinrain ko na lang siya. Anyways, luto na naman to. And then I put it on a serving mini cup. So, yan. Para maging maganda naman siya sa plate, diba guys? Mas maganda kasi kainin pag maganda yung plating ng food. Then, we fry the putu maya covered with rice paper. So, magpa-pop lang yan. Di nyo na kailangan i-brown siya. Tas, serve mo na. Yun lang. Ganun lang siya kadali. And to make it look more authentic, I put a slice of mangoes on the sides. Yan. And then, of course, nilagyan ko rin nag-drizzle din ako niya ng konting muscovado sugar. So, yan. Nilagyan ko lang yan ng mango slice. Yan. Tapos, I drizzled muscovado sugar. And then, of course, the best part is the tasting part. So, there you go, guys. Try na niya din. I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you. Bye!